right, I'm here with the University of Manitoba after they've just won their award. Congratulations, guys.
Thanks a lot.
Who am I with here?
You're with Mike.
And John Grogan.
Okay, so how did you hear about the GNCTR? Is this your first year racing?
This is my second year,
And this is my third year.
but the U of M has been showing up for years.
And what have you learned from this experience?
I've learned a lot about teamwork and overall project management.
And I've also, the areas of teamwork and management are also very important. I've learned about them. Also about sustainable design and the influences that, how we think about our actions and how building and how important concrete is as a building material in society today can really make an impact.
Was it hard to build a toboggan?
You know, we had our struggles. It's a couple months of work. It's a grind, really. You gotta go in 1 week at a time, and you gotta sit down and think about what you're gonna do. And we like to think that we work through problems and find solutions. And if it's a lot of work. I'm not gonna lie. It's what was the question again?
Manitoba's been a big part of this department. Is this big in your engineering faculty also?
I would say it's a major segment of especially the civil end of the engineering faculty. We take great pride in it. It's one of the things we truly cherish, and I think it's been part of, as far as we know, the civil, U of M for years.
A very cultural thing. It's one of those events that's very known about.
Who's helped you get this far so far? Are there any special sponsors, profs, or particular students in mind that may not be on the team but have helped you out along
I don't
the way?
want to single out any member on the team because everyone pulled their weight, and it's just a team competition. And as we all know, there's no I in team. It's a 82-day grind to get this thing going, and night in, night out, we're working hard. We're putting in the effort, and we're getting results. And some nights you don't get as good as you think you would, but other nights, you come out with the 2 points. And
well, thank you, Sydney.
What are you gonna do with the winnings?
We're gonna
Something serious.
We're gonna do something serious with it. We're looking at pressure vessels. They come in 50-liter capacities.
Are you interested in the construction industry? I'd say you were, but I want to speak on behalf of you guys.
Personally, I'm interested in construction industry. Consulting tends to be a bit more boring. You sit in an office and file reports all day long, and you really don't do a lot. A lot of thumb twiddling. Not the most fun thing you could do. Your boss kind of comes to you once in a while and says, "Hey, could you close solitaire and finish this spreadsheet for me, because I got a wicked game of solitaire going right now."
Now, though I do respect my esteemed colleague, Mike, I'd have to say he's kind of full of shit. Consulting engineering is a very relevant part of any industry, especially engineering and especially actual construction. You have to evaluate, the positive and negative aspects of any kind of construction projects and evaluate long-term and short-term goals in it. And it's not just sitting on solitaire. You have to evaluate the environmental impact, for example, and you have to consider our long-term sustainability goals.
And furthermore, construction, it gives you an opportunity to actually do something, because it's, every project seems like an 82-game grind. You're in there, you're getting it done. Halfway through, it's the grind. It's got to make sure your skates are tied on tight. And
you don't want to play like the Leafs.
You gotta block some shots. You gotta take a puck to the eye or two, but figuratively and spiritually, it's all around a good gig.
Well, that's some good stuff also. What does sustainability mean to you?
I believe sustainability is an old wooden ship. The more serious note, sustainability means evaluating our goals as a present-day society and considering the values of the future and the ability to consider them and make an equal balance between our needs and the needs of future generations.
Furthermore, sustainability means our kids get to grow up in a society that is still on the up and up. There's a lot of competition between continents right now, and it's an 82-game grind.
Why is it important that the construction industry takes a leadership role in green construction?
Well, I find that absolutely is a great thing, because construction is the razor's edge, if you will. They're the ones that can get the job done. You know, consulting, they sit in an office and they draw stuff, and that's an important part of the industry. But without construction, you know, it's just a pile of drawings on your boss's desk.